Most people using Claude Code are doing the equivalent of hiring a surgeon and asking them to carry boxes. And I don't mean that as a dig. The demos look incredible, you get it running, you type something in, it spits out code, and you think, great, that's a faster way to Google. But that is not what this tool is. And the way I actually use it on real client work for AI audits, I run at anywhere between $750 to $1,500 a piece. Looks nothing like what most tutorials show you. And if you stick around at the end of this video, I'll show you how to grab the most important part of it, the Claude.md file, and where you can get your hands on it. So why do most people waste Claude Code? Well, the old way was you have a task, but that task gets re-explained every time you run a prompt inside of Claude. And this could be who's my client, what's the format, what standards do I have, my preferences, so on and so on. So now you get the output, you copy that and you paste it. And when you start again, you basically start from zero. Now this is a really inefficient way of doing it, but more importantly, you're burning up tokens. So your Claude Code usage is going through the roof. The new way of doing this is to start with a Claude.md file. And this is where your context sits. It's written once and it's read automatically before the start of every session. So for my business, this knows who my clients are, all the formats and standards. If there's any particular way that my clients like to work, I put that straight into the Claude.md file. So it knows this before I start running any types of prompt. It knows all the rules, it never second guesses, and more importantly, it will actually flag it if something comes up that breaks these rules. And it knows what good looks like. You can actually give it examples. And so this time, when you run a new task, Claude knows everything about you or the client, and then you execute. So I've taken a 90-minute audit prep. I complete it in about 12 minutes every single time. And guys, I'm charging $750 to $1,500 per audit, which is costing me $20 a month in Claude subscriptions and 12 minutes of my time. So fundamentally, the overhead isn't the AI generating the answer. Yes, it uses tokens, and yes, you can be inefficient if you're prompting it or using it in a way that's going to burn up more tokens than is necessary. What's more important is that you're re-establishing context every single time. Not only is that the burning up tokens, but it's wasting your time. So the new way of using Claude Code is to create a Claude.md file before you start every new project. And so I'm inside of Claude Code. I'm using it inside of terminal. You just point it to any project file or folder, and then you hit /init. This will help you initialize a new Claude.md file with code-based documentation. Now you might get hit with the API error, even though I'm using the $20 a month Claude subscription. But you can see here that it needs a 1 million context. So it will actually draw that from your usage credits. That's an easy fix. You just put in /usage credits, and you can just continue with usage credits. If you're out of credits, you can always top up and buy more, or you can increase the subscription to the higher model of $200 a month. That will obviously give you more credits. So there's a few ways around this. And if you need to change the model, just hit /model, and you can select any of the current available models from Claude. So you can see here that's actually configuring the new Claude.md file for this particular project. It's not anything specific. I'm just showing you what actually happens when you hit /init. But the Claude.md file is just the foundation. The next piece is plan mode. And plan mode is what you switch on before asking Claude Code to do something significant. And in plan mode, it doesn't just execute. It thinks. It reads the files. It maps out what it should do. It surfaces decisions it needs to make. But more importantly, it shows you the plan before it starts executing it. And for me, this is the most important part of it, because this will save you a ton of token usage. Because if there's something wrong in the plan, you can go back and ask Claude to change it before it starts executing the prompt. So to activate the plan mode, just type in /plan, and this will get enabled. Something else I absolutely love is skills. And skills are basically templates or workflows for processes that you use a lot. And so in my case, because I'm working with clients, I'm doing audits, there'll be processes and workflows that I will go back to and use multiple times. And you can see here some of the ones that I'm actually using. Before I was doing AI audits, running an AI agency, I actually spent 12 years running marketing campaigns for some of the world's biggest brands. So I still do that in some capacity, but now obviously in the age of AI and automation, I don't do it myself because I'm literally a one-person agency. So I've got workflows and I've got AI agents built into skills that helps me and basically automate the entire process. Some of my favorites in this list is marketing ideas, marketing psychology. I've got one for onboarding CRO, SEO audits. Even though I'm not an SEO guy, I can use AI to help me do that. And I've even got one for competitor analysis. So here's what it actually looks like in practice. I am doing an AI workflow audit. This is a paid engagement where I map out where a business is losing time and what to automate. And before I even go on the discovery call, Claude Code has already read through whatever the client sent. So this could be best practices, it could be PDFs, it could be standards, guidelines, deadlines, whatever it is, I put it into a folder and Claude has scanned that for me. It's pulled out all the friction points and it's structured it into my audit format. And this is something that used to take me 90 minutes, but now it only takes 12. But more importantly, the output is more consistent because the process runs the same way every single time. And consistency equals quality, quality equals bucks, and bucks means I can do this full time. And after the call, I am dictating notes into my phone. Those notes go into a project folder. Claude Code reads them, cross-references with the initial brief, and then drafts the recommendations section of the audit report. I review it, I adjust it, and I send it back to the client. The whole thing is faster, but more importantly, it's systematic. Every client gets the same rigor because the process does not change. And honestly, charging $1,500 for an audit like this isn't a guess. It's a number that I can easily defend because my audits are thorough. I go through everything, and it makes it look like I've done a lot of work. When the client sees it, they're really impressed. And honestly, that audit is my foot into their business. At that point, I can work with them on a monthly retainer or sell them future workflows. But I've actually done all the hard work and the heavy lifting inside of Claude Code before I get to that point. And everything else is downstream and it's much easier. So if you want the Claude.md kit, the link is in the video description. Grab it, drop it into your first project, and you'll feel the difference in your first session. If this video was useful, do me a solid, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because it helps more people find it. Thank you so much if you made it far, and I'll see you next time.